Everyone, welcome back to a new video. And this video we are going to be talking about this new platform. It's not new relaunch, it has been around for the past month. It's actually a faucet app. You guys know this faucet app that you perform tasks and get paid back in return with cryptocurrencies. Well, comes a new app. So this app is called VIA Faucet. The link is always in the description or in the comment box. In either one you want to, you see it there. So when you log in, you create an account using the link. You have 3 ways to earn money. You can either do offer wall, short links, or PTC. So PTC is just like you have to click on a page, stay in that page for like 30 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and get paid back coins. So now these coins will now be converted to the cryptocurrencies of your choice. So over here you can convert it to Toncoins, Solana, Doge, USDT, and different coins. For those tapping, you can use Toncoin to get reasonable amounts of Toncoins. You can notice I have 0.001 Toncoin. Alright then, and you can withdraw instantly. So for those who still want to learn how to participate in the PTC, it's just basically as simple as this. You can notice 15 seconds, you just click on view, it automatically redirects you to the site. You just have to stay in the site. Don't worry if it shows you any issue, just stay in the site. Just stay in the site and wait a moment. Alright. Then once you have stayed in for a while, you can go back. Then you just be asked to verify that you are not a robot and you are a human. You just have to pick the image that is upside down, which is of course this one. I'm not sure. Alright, so I've claimed 50 tokens. So basically if you do all of them, there's other ones called iframe and YouTube. Each of them just follow it like this and this. The short links is the hardest to participate in because it will frustrate you. Advert will frustrate you a lot. It will, I am 100% sure, because I tried it and I couldn't even do it. So basically I just work with PTC and offer wall. Offer wall is just like that of you doing tax. Like doing tax. You understand the tax, like download an app, play games, reach certain level, get paid back in return in coins. As for those are my choose. And if you want to withdraw, you click on this withdraw, then you get access to different withdrawal methods. You can withdraw, and you can withdraw using Faucet Pay and C-Wallet. I will advise you just to use Faucet Pay. It's actually the most best and easiest to withdraw. Alright, so you can notice that over here you see that all of them are 100%. Go with the ones that are at least 72%, that actually have a percentage. Those that are empty balance means that the balance in the website is low, so you can't use that method. But it's easy because every moment there's always a method available. So like now, if I choose to withdraw using TRX or Solana or Doge or USDT, I can actually choose to just withdraw using TRX. Oh no, not TRX, it's Doge. So you basically copy your wallet address. In Faucet Pay, there's a place for you to be able to copy your wallet address. So you go over there and copy your wallet address and enter the amount you want to withdraw, and then withdraw it. You can also withdraw Ton to your Faucet Pay. So let's just choose Ton. But I don't have the address yet, so Dogecoin is more better. So once you click on Dogecoin, you just go over here, complete capture, and withdraw. It will instantly land into your. So that's how to earn free cryptocurrencies. That's either Doge, Toncoin for those doing tapping. You can earn in USDT and convert it to any of the coins that you need for all these tapping apps, or just basically if you want to be doing trading and any of those things. So thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, you may also decide to subscribe to the channel, and if not, it's also great. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.